everyone, let me take you through my jet ski experience in Dubai.
Mom, get up. Today is the jet ski day. Get up.
We use kajal on an everyday basis, right? So you're putting something into your eye. We need to make sure कि हम जो use कर रहे हैं वो safe है, toxin free है. Mamaearth's newly launched kajal nourishes your eyes while giving them an intense look with just one stroke. They're waterproof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting, and I love the colors. These are the 3 shades available in the kajal. As a part of the Plant Goodness initiative, every time you buy from Mamaearth, they link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees. This has vitamin C, chamomile, it's made safe certified and also waterproof. It stays for 11 long hours. These kajals are also smudge proof, which is perfect because I'm going for jet skiing. Let me also tell you that all Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Purple, but also in stores near you. You can use my coupon code Antara 2022 to get 20% off on all Mamaearth products on the Mamaearth app and website. I love this kajal and I love how it looks. I took so much time to get ready. Papa is so mad at me. But anyway, look at mom. She's looking like a full doll only. We're off to jet ski. Sach बताऊं, I was very worried because I wasn't sure if I'd be able to चलाओ it, but it's honestly very simple. एक acceleration का बटन होता है और एक start का बटन होता है, एक stop बटन होता है. That's it. मैं आपको बताऊं, ये जेट्स के एक्सपीरियंस में मेरे 3 स्टेजेस थे. स्टेज 1 कैसे चलाऊंगी नहीं हो पाएगा. स्टेज 2 जेट्सकी पे बैठने के बाद अरे यार ये तो कुछ नहीं, अब भी हो जाएगा. स्टेज 3 व्हेन आई वाज मिड वाटर्स, बिल्कुल सी के बीच में थी, तब मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ अरे यार ये तो बहुत हैवी है, मुझे हैंडल नहीं हो रहा है. मैं राइट घुमा रही हूँ तो पूरा राइट जा रहा है, लेफ्ट घुमा रही हूँ तो पूरा लेफ्ट जा रहा है. बिल्कुल समुद्र के बीच में बहुत जद्दोजहद करने के बाद आई थिंक आई फाइनली गॉट द हैंग ऑफ इट. If you thought I killed it, wait and watch my brother. It was insane. काफ़ी ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. हम अगर जेट स्कीइंग नहीं जाते, we would have definitely missed this experience. Next time I'm going to Dubai with Tuk Tuk, I'm definitely making her do this. This was so fun. I'd recommend this to everybody who's going to Dubai. Anyway, I'm signing out for today. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.